Hey car fans, I'm Mike Berger with CarSoup.com, and this is another episode of CarSoup Car Closeups, or as we like to call it, C3. Well, today we're talking all about the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. And we're here with the good folks at White Bear Mitsubishi, and with Richard Herod III, he's going to walk us through all the great features of this vehicle.
Luckily for the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, beauty is more than just skin deep. This octane blue Outlander Sport is one of the many reasons the Outlander Sport has been the most popular small crossover in St. Paul for the last 5 years. Recently, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety named the Outlander Sport to its list of safest and most affordable vehicles for teens, which means if you're looking for a vehicle for yourself or your kids, this is one safe bet.
The Mitsubishi Outlander Sport is a front-engine, all-wheel drive, 5-passenger, 4-door hatchback. Now this model first came out back in 2010, but don't let that scare you. Mitsubishi has gone a long way to keeping the Outlander Sport fresh and relevant for 2018. Depending on how you outfit it, the Outlander Sport is available with 18-inch alloy wheels, along with HID headlights, plus LED running lights. There's LED combination tail lights, as well as an available panoramic glass sunroof. Under the hood is a standard 148 horsepower, 2.0-liter engine. There's also an available 168 horsepower, 2.4-liter engine. Both are dual overhead cam, 16-valve power plants that feature resin-coated pistons and smooth surface camshafts for reduced friction. Once you're inside, the Outlander Sport has you covered in comfort, with amenities such as standard heated side mirrors and available heated front seats. Throw in tilt and telescoping steering wheel, Bluetooth wireless technology, Sirius XM satellite radio, and automatic climate control, and you've got one really tricked out crossover. Mitsubishi's available smartphone link display audio system helps you maintain caution behind the wheel, and we all know caution is important these days with all the distractions out on the road. This advanced feature supports Apple CarPlay and lets you access Apple Music and Maps, make phone calls, and even send messages all through the touch panel or even just with your voice using Siri. The system also supports Android Auto. Simply press the push to talk button to connect to Google and access all the most commonly used features on your Android. It's impossible in one video to show you everything about the Outlander Sport, but hopefully this gives you a little bit of flavor of the vehicle. I'm Mike Berger with CarSoup.com, and this has been another episode of C3.